कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Today, there are certain members who talk about certain government being run by certain individuals. Sir, no government is run by any individual, sir. It is a teamwork. We believe in teamwork, sir. I cannot do things alone. Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers who are here, they have a responsibility. If they don't work, things will not happen. They are part of the team. It's not run by one individual. And as far as I know, the Chief Minister is Sangma. The Deputy Chief Minister is Tinsong. And the Deputy Chief Minister from Gentia Hills is Mr. Dhar. So therefore, sir, let's not make this kind of allegations and remarks which are really very, very petty, sir. Sir, I have not disturbed the honourable member, sir. He'll have his chance.
On the Rule 300, sir, point of order, sir. I raise a point of order. Sir, Rule 54, whenever we submit for a call attention, sir, and Rule 54.2, there shall be no debate on such statement at the time it is made. So, sir, do you allow to have a debate? If you allow, then we will debate. I'm ready to debate for you, with you, sir. It doesn't mean that you'll take advantage of this call attention and express what you feel only. We have. When you talk about the mindset, we know what is the mindset. There is a difference between the mindset of a tribal and the mindset of those who have been upbringing outside the state, sir. So when you want to talk about mindset, let us talk about the mindset. What kind of mindset you are talking? You think just because we raise issues concerning the state that we are narrow-minded?
Honorable member, please.
Don't try to insinuate. Don't try to insinuate.
Because
you speak straight to the call attention. Address the point that I've raised in the call attention. If you want to debate, let us have another platform to debate, sir. You can extend the house.
Yes, already.
Can we allow you to just speak alone?
Please stop. Please stop.
Deputy Speaker, sir,
So may I be allowed to finish
point
my
of
reply,
order.
sir?
I am raising a point of order under Rule 300 in respect of Rule 54.1 of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. I think the content of this very rule is itself self-explanatory. We have seen very often the Chief Minister standing on his feet, raising point of order, advising the members of this August House to ensure that we take cognizance of essence of time. The same applies to everybody. And the rule is specific. The minister in charge will make a brief statement on it. Nothing beyond that. Therefore, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, let us go by the rules.
Yeah.
We are privileged to have lots of new members, so they will follow what we. Therefore, we should lead by example. That is one part. And another, Mr. Speaker, sir, another point of order.
I think that's
under Rule 300, pertaining to 151. Rule 151, which is pertaining to our supplementary demands for grants, and read Rule 144, Sub-Rule 3, Sub-Rule 2 and Sub-Rule 3. Today we have demands for grants in the form of supplementary demands. And the rule is very clear, which is advisory, that on the day when demands for grants are taken up, no other matters are taken up usually. Because passing these demands are very important for the August House. Because every naya paisa that we intend to spend has to be voted by this House. And when this House is voting, the importance of scrutinizing the proposal by the House is important. So that is the spirit of these SDs. This is the spirit of allowing cut motions. Therefore, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, we have been watching, but it has become a precedent that on the day when demand for grants are taken up, supplementary demands are taken up, we have been taking up too many items which is in contradiction to this rule. So I would like to make a submission from now on in future. I think we should follow that part because demands for grants are crucial. Let us all. It helps the government. It helps the minister when cut motions are brought. You know, because when this is done, I will also come up with another point of order, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. But I would like to submit through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Let the time, the essence of time, be appreciated by all. Thank you, Mr. Deputy.
Thank you. Now, I would ask whether Honourable Member Ardent, Basaiawmoit, has any...
Sir, again, point of order, sir. If you're all saying that we should follow the rules, it says there's no debate, sir. So the reply's been done and the matter
You've
is...
started.
I was replying. Debate means,
It is not a
debate means
reply.
we go
It is an
back and
advantage that
forth.
we want to show.
Sir, I'm speaking, sir. I did not interfere. So I would appreciate if the honourable member would not interfere when I
Don't
speak.
get emotional.
He has
So
to...
who got emotional? We saw. So the point is,
That you are a
sir,
leader.
that this is a call attention, sir. And I would request that since the already reply's been done, so we can move forward, sir, is what I would urge you, sir.
He can seek one clarification if he is willing to. If you have any...
So I don't want to ask any clarification.
Okay.
I've understood the mind of the Chief Minister.
Thank you.
I'm ready to debate with him one day, sir.
Thank you.